There is a question in 10th class ICC Computer Confusion question number 18. Assertion is given static method can access static and instance variable. Static method, this is a static method, can access static and instance variable. Here A is the instance variable and B is the static variable. So this static method can access both variable. You see, this is B is the static variable, no error, no syntax error, but here a comment is given. Remove this comment. Now see, there is an error. What is error? Non-static variable A cannot be referenced from a static context. That means a non-static variable cannot be accessed by static method. Non-static variable cannot be accessed by static method. So static method cannot access non-static, that is instance variable. Now come to the region part. Region part given static variable can be accessed only by static method. Static variable can be accessed only by static method. This is static variable B. B can only accessed by static method. B is accessed by static method. Yes, true, but only is given. Means static variable cannot be accessed by non-static method. This is the reason. Now, see, take another method, non-static method, that is public void display. Public void display, this is non-static method. Let us check the static variable is accessible or not. This is system.out.println B. B is your static variable. Now compile. No syntax error. So static variable, this is so static variable can be accessed can be accessed static variable can be accessed by both static and non-static method. So region is false and assertion also false. So your answer is D. Assertion and region both are false. Okay.